Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to get a TradingView discount in 2026 using the updated pricing options. So if you are interested in the discounts, you can just check out the link of this Black Friday deal page in the description. In this particular deal, you are going to get up to 80% discount plus 1 month additional absolutely for free. So when you use the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on this page where you will see the countdown, and as you can see over here, only 1 day is left for this sale to end. So if you are interested, make sure that you hurry up and explore the offers. When you click on the option of explore offers, it is going to show you all of the discounts available on different types of plans here. We have essential plan, which is going to basically give you 30% off on plus account. We have the 40% off. Their premium one account has 70% off, and their ultimate one has the 80% off discount. So this premium one is the best deal. If you are interested in it, you can just click on the option of buy now. Over here, simply provide your personal details, like your first name, your country, your region, postcode, and address. Then click on the next option in the right hand section. On the next page, simply just select the payment method. It can be a debit card, credit card, any of the wallets, or bank transfer. After that, simply conclude your payment. Once your payment is done, your discount will be applicable. Your premium subscription will be activated, and you will be able to get access to all of the TradingView premium features at discounted price. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.